This video is sponsored by Advix. The journey of advanced technology starts and stops with Advix. Visit advixaftermarket.com for more information.
In the shop today, we've got a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Customer was complaining about brake noise. I took it for a test drive and noticed that the brake noise did not change when I was applying the brakes. Upon inspection, well, I did look at the rear brakes and they were below 3 millimeters, and the rear rotors did have a noticeable amount of rust and corrosion on them. But what was causing the noise was actually this backing plate, and it tells a tale. When I removed the rotor, I noticed the backing plate. The backing plate, well, it looks like it's been through a war. You could see hammer marks here where a previous technician attempted to change the dimensions so it wouldn't cause noise on this lip. Other issues back here, it was bent in certain directions, and even this lip that's designed to fit tightly inside of the brake drum for the drum and hat parking brake system was bent. This is what was causing the brake noise heard by the customer. So what's the solution? Well, I'm going to replace the brake pads and also the rotor, but I'm also going to replace this backing plate. This means that new backing plate, well, it's not going to be subject to corrosion, and it's going to seal better against this brake rotor to keep out water and debris for the parking brake to work properly. This way, I'm completing the job and renewing the brakes back to like new condition. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.